Hey guys, what's going on? Good to see you again in November. Can you believe it? Another month just passed and we are in November, ahead of holidays like Thanksgiving next week and Christmas coming up next and New Year celebrations with friends and family. And finally this year going to be over. What a crazy year was 2020, right? So we have a lot of stuff going on. And as of right now, our Washington state is shut down again by our governor until December 14. And a lot of businesses hurt for that, unfortunately. But for real estate side, we can operate, we can open, we can show property for the clients, we can lease the property, put it homes on the market. So only what we cannot do right now, we cannot do open houses until December 14. But I hope that's gonna be end soon. But right now, this is going to be my big episode about market update for months of November because data are available for months of October. And I will highlight Seattle and all Eastside location today. If you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel because I provide a lot of data and information in those episodes every single month. First, I want to put for you guys on the screen the Eastside pending sale by week divided by last year. And you guys can see for Eastside locations for last couple of weeks of November, the market back to normal. We have numbers of sales comparable to a year ago. It's a pretty normal market. And we have big spikes in August, September and October, like over 100%. But market come back, we have normal market like we have pre-pandemic time. And same for Seattle as well. You guys can see for Seattle, we have big spikes in the beginning of September, almost at 200%. But then market come down to 105%. And right now we're like in a very steady, very normal market. And now I'd like to show you guys Eastside location, residential market only for all Eastside. And you guys can see we have 0.6 months of inventory on the screen with 854 pending sales and decrease in year-over-year listings from over 1,000 to 473 listings on the market with minimum sale price on Eastside $1,050,000 in October with 17% increase year-over-year. We have strong sellers market, it's odds of selling very high, 83% in Seattle's Eastside, and only 18% of properties put it under contract wasn't closed in Eastside. But 51% of all homes listed in Seattle's Eastside sold above asking price, 14% at asking price, and 15%, it's very small number, sold below asking price. And for Seattle, for all residential data, what we have right now, 1.2 months inventories, but decrease year over year from 2019 to 2020. And medium sale price in Seattle right now, $800,000, with price increase only for 3% year over year. Odds of selling in Seattle is really high as well because we still have high demand for housing, for residential market. And odds of selling in Seattle right now, 78%. And only 14% of the properties put it under contract in Seattle did not close. With that, guys, Seattle has 37% homes sold above asking price, 17% at asking price. It's a very strong sellers market for residential data in Seattle as well. But hey, let's see what's happening in downtown Seattle condominium market. I showed for you guys last month and it was shocking numbers. We still continue same trend, shocking numbers for downtown. And you guys can see with me on the screen, in Belltown, downtown Seattle, we have 7.2 months of inventory. And this is horrible because prices decrease year over year for about 15%, with medium sale price $622,000. Seems like to me everybody tried to move out from Seattle to different locations, and people mostly moving to residential markets, to the houses. They're moving from condominiums and they're buying houses. It's a high demand for the land, high demand to the properties with the land. I believe the privacy in very high demand right now. With that, guys, if you guys selling in Seattle, it's probably not the best year to sell, but if you buy in Seattle, you can use this as a leverage for yourself because you can get probably best possible deal you never been able to get before. And right now you can buy same condominium you tried to buy it a year ago only for 15% less. It's a very, very good deal. Odds of selling in Seattle very low. You guys can see it's only 41% on the market, and 14% condominiums did not close after signing mutual agreement. 35% condominium in Seattle sold below asking price, 48% have to change prices before the sale, and only small number 7% sold above asking price. That shows like what's happening right now in Seattle downtown. And what this data shows to us, we have record high number of pending sales on Eastside. Over 10 years, we have highest record on pending sales. And 51% was Eastside, 47% King County, and Sammamish County exceeds 50% as well. A number of listings sold above asking price in Seattle Eastside residential market this year in 2020 October beats 2017, 18 and 19 years. And you guys can see on the screen the 51% listings sold above asking price. We never see this before. Comparable to Seattle, we have 37% listings sold above asking price for the national market, but did not beat 2017. 2017 have 49%, which was much higher than this year. And if you guys ask me what to expect in the next couple of months, we move into normal market. We move into holiday season. Thanksgiving around the corner, we have a Christmas coming up, a New Year celebration with friends and family as well. And those holidays, people usually do not plan to list and sell the property. People selling homes and condominiums in the springtime and summertime when kids finish in schools and they have to move to different location for work reason or any other reasons. But they're not planning to sell when it's raining outside, with the winter cold, when the buyers not looking for homes. They're not planning to do this in winter time, and usually we go into the slow season. It's starting right now in November, end of November, and going to be through the December to beginning of January. If you not buy property till this time right now, you probably should just relax, celebrate your holidays, be with your friends and family, and live through the holiday season and start looking for properties to buy in January. I'll put my number on the screen for you guys. If you need an agent, call me in January and we'll find your dream home that time. But right now, don't even look, because not many homes on the market, not many homes for sale. We do not have a lot of choices available for the buyers. What other thing is important, if you decide to buy it in January, you have to prepare for that. Interest rate may change, may increase a little bit. You need to contact your lender, adjust your pre-approval letter, update your information for the lender, and be prepared for this time. When time comes, to give me a call back and we'll start looking for properties together. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe there. And until guys, next time, make a fantastic week.